What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Volt Inu. Wanted to make a video because it's been quite bullish. Technically, we'll really focus on the technicals, but with Volt, there's always something going on with the news and the fundamentals as well. So we'll talk about that too. But yeah, so right now Volt is it's doing quite well. A little bit of weird things. Right now you should be able to hear me. All right, but yeah, Volt, there's always something going on. Right now they got a listing on the BYBIT, a big exchange. It's being made a little bit bigger than what it really is. I mean, BYBIT is a good exchange, but it doesn't push that much volume. It doesn't have that much users. You could say that it's an entry into the Chinese market, but believe me, Chinese people would find your crypto otherwise as well. Via Gate.io, for example, that's also a big Chinese exchange. But all right, there's quite a lot of hype because of it, and you cannot deny the market. The market does what it wants, and you just have to accept it. And technically, we're very bullish as well with Volt. The main thing we did is we broke above this major resistance level around 15,000. And sorry that the chart looks a little bit messy, but trust me, I can still read it. A lot of colors going on, but it's I color code some things depending on how important and strong they are. But all right, so you can see this resistance level between, and I'm going to call these levels as 15,000 and 15,500 and 14,500, excuse me. Broke above that. By breaking above that, we now have this as a support, especially between 14,800 and 14,500. There's major support. So purely technically, what I would say is that, all right, we'll take that break retest and we'll go up to our next resistance level between 16,000 and 16,500. Now there it gets a little bit more interesting because this is quite a strong resistance level, especially around 16,000. It's quite strong. So I think initially when we'll get there, which I do expect, we'll find resistance. Now from that resistance, we're going to drop down to that level at around 15,000 again. If we can stay on top of that level, so between 14,500 and 15,000, if we can stay on top of that for 2 days, then I think we can break above that and get up to like 18,000, 17,500. But the thing is that we need to see that first, because 16,000 is first of all a strong technical level. It houses the 618 FIB of this recent bearish move, but it also has the 236 FIB of the entire bullish move. So very strong FIB levels, and just on its own a strong technical level as well. So that's why we need to see it, because what could also happen is that from this resistance we'll find support at 15,000 initially, but that will then break down below that. If that happens, we're going to drop back down to 12,500. All right, so it's really going to depend on that level, what kind of touch we get off of that, and first of all, and then how the price will sustain itself afterwards. If it can hold the levels we're at right now, then that means that there's still a lot of bullish momentum in the price, and we can probably rally up higher. If from that level, again around 16,000, we have a bearish breakout, that's bearish confirmation, and then because of the strength of that level, that probably means that we'll drop down even lower. But all right, that's my take on Volt Inu for now. Let me know what you think. Probably most of you will disagree with me and think it's going to the moon, because that is a little bit how the Volt Inu community is. But all right, we'll see. That's my take on it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.